There is indeed a potential for tourism. Una-una na may pinalatungan, historical ka, national historical. Kanya nung develop mo yung infrastructure, no? At saka mga promotion ng propaganda, definitely pinalatungan is a site for historical tourism. Kung ba doon may church tayo, that's the oldest church, no? One of the oldest church, no? If we can just develop another good propaganda and materials and infrastructure, these two sites, no? Binalatungan as well as church would be a good potential for tourism. So importante naman kasi make the city really a heaven of a progressive. Kasi no, may natitila ka mo doon, ari kakaabay mo baloy. How can some outsider notice your city? So, kaukulan mo, aside from developing a tourism program, kaukulan, you show, ipanagnan mo man, susunod, yan ay rin ipagmalaki mo, like my own public market. How can you now invite people to come to the city if the old public market it's just a mess, no? So kaukulan, to develop the city in a tourism, kaukulan sa infrastructure and development must come together.
Thank you so much, Attorney Soriano. So allowed po tayo from the second pair and third pair to comment po sa sinabi ni Attorney Soriano. You have 45 seconds. Any of you po pwedeng mag-comment. Do you have anything to say, Dr. Cayabyab and Dr. De La Cruz?
So no comment for Dr. Cayabyab and Dr. De La Cruz on the...
Yes, Lester, tingin ko may sasabihin po si Mayor and Vice Mayor Resuello. Sir, you have 45 seconds.
How can we say that the old public market is in a mess? Well, when my father was the one who took over as mayor of the city of San Carlos, sinimulan po natin bigyan ng disiplina. And in the tourism department, no, yung sinasabi niyo po ay amin ang ginagawa. Actually, meron na po kami napag-usap-usapan niya. Nagpunta na kami sa office ng Spanish Consul, no, na kung saan nakausap na namin siya because of the old galleons na yung mga wrecks na nakita natin. No, we were asking for fundings for that. So, it so happens na napalitan lamang po yung kausap namin.
Maraming salamat kay Mayor Resuello. And we'll give 60 seconds to Attorney Soriano to react to the statement of Mayor Resuello and to eventually close that particular topic. Attorney Soriano, sir, you have 1 minute.
Kaluman ng liberal the old public market, and but my own opinion is that it is really a mess, no? Adala-dala lang special, nabalak ka, nagulog ka. So, but I submit to the people, alalaman sumitin tindahan, you be the judge. If I win, this May 9, to ay babaga. If I lose, then anyway babaga. I submit to the people.
Thank you very much to